Are you in a right circle with right people in a right environment? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your knowledge is not being acknowledged, your work is not being appreciated, your hard work is not paid well? Then you don't have to curse yourself. You don't have to blame yourself. It's not your fault. If you're working hard, it's just a matter of a circle you are in, the people you are surrounded by. Let me give a small example of one of my friends. He's an artist. He did one experiment with his 2 paintings that exploded my mind and changed my life. And with this story, it might change your life as well. Few years ago, one of my friends, his name is Abu Khalid. He's an artist. He did an experiment with his 2 paintings. He printed 2 paintings from me, and he installed one of the paintings in small market and priced as $200. And the second painting he installed in one of the popular art gallery that was priced for $60,000. Yes, you heard it right. Same paintings. And the painting which was installed in an art gallery that was sold in 1 hour after the opening. And the second painting which was installed in a small market where though so many people are passing every single day, they can see this painting, that was sold after 4 weeks and discount for $150. So ladies and gentlemen, it's not about the painting, it's not about you, it's about the environment you are in, the people you are surrounded by. They don't know the value. So if you are struggling in your life because the people are not appreciating your knowledge or your abilities, your skills, you need to change your circle. You need to change the people you are surrounded by. Then you will see the second version and the right version of yourself. And this will happen only if you are working with loyalty, with hard working and honesty. It's not about you, it's about the circle around you. I wish you succeed in your life after changing the circle of your life. I wish you your right circle.